Let me show you this little vanity stool because it has way more going on than you would expect. So this one was sent over for me to try and review, and I really like how practical it is, but at the same time, it's super cute. Right underneath the seat, there's this hidden storage compartment. You can use it for your makeup, for books, or whatever you want to keep tucked away. The backrest folds down, which is especially nice if you're working with limited space. It arrives in one box, and setting it up is very easy. You only have to put together the legs. The upper part is already done. It has 5 caster wheels, so you can roll it around really easy. And they're designed to move smoothly across multiple surfaces like hardwood, carpet, or tile. The height is adjustable. Just use the lever underneath the seat to raise or lower it. And the whole seat swivels 360 degrees, so you can easily turn around and reach for something without having to get up. And last but not least, I love the soft faux fur seat. It has thick memory foam padding, so it's really comfortable to sit on. Whether you're getting ready at your vanity or just sitting at the desk or just need an extra seat around the room, it is extremely comfortable and soft. And it's designed to hold up to 330 pounds. Definitely a great find.